Crocodile social life, family bonds, and hierarchies. Beyond the solitary predator, we often perceive crocodiles as solitary ancient hunters, alone in their watery realms, but there is more to them than meets the eye. Today we're going beyond the surface and exploring the often overlooked world of crocodile social lives, delving into their complex interactions, their carefully created hierarchies, and the subtle ways in which they communicate with each other. Prepare to be surprised as we uncover the hidden social structures of the crocodile and to appreciate their complex nature. Maternal bonds. Protecting and nurturing. The first glimpse into the social lives of crocodiles is, perhaps unsurprisingly, within the strong bond between mother and offspring. Mother crocodiles are remarkably attentive to their young. They carefully construct their nests, they meticulously protect their eggs, and they nurture their hatchlings for weeks or months after they emerge from their shells. It's a level of care that is often not appreciated in such powerful predators. The mother crocodile is a true guardian, and her dedication to her young is truly amazing. The nursery groups, early socialization. As they grow, young crocodiles often form what are often called nursery groups, a form of early socialization where they learn from each other. They form important bonds, and they develop essential life skills. It's not just about swimming and basking together. They are communicating, they are learning, and they are establishing a unique language. From playing to jockeying for position, every interaction in these nursery groups plays a key role in their development. They are all learning the rules of their world from an early age. Basking hierarchies, sun, space, and status. While they are solitary creatures for much of their lives, when they come together, there's a very clear and important social dynamic at play. And that is never more clear than during the basking sessions. When crocodiles bask together, a clear hierarchy often emerges, where larger individuals, often males, claim the prime basking locations, while others must make do with less desirable areas. This is often achieved with subtle and often nuanced displays of power, with larger crocodiles often displaying subtle dominance, and smaller ones often acknowledging their place in the hierarchy. It's a system that helps to maintain order and to minimize conflict. Vocal communication. Beyond the roar. While they are often silent, crocodiles are also capable of a diverse range of vocalizations that play a key role in their communications. They use grunts, hisses, and growls to signal everything from territorial claims to courting behavior to warnings of danger, creating a vocal language that is unique to their species. It's more than just random noises. It's a complex form of communication that is only now being fully explored and understood, and it adds another layer of complexity to their amazing world. Mating rituals, a display of power and nuance. During the breeding season, crocodiles engage in a variety of complex courtship rituals, with males using a combination of physical displays, vocalizations, and scent marking in order to attract their female partners. These rituals are often a show of power, a display of intent, And they also highlight the often complex dynamics of these ancient reptiles. It's not just about dominance, it's about forming relationships and creating the next generation of these incredible creatures. Territorial disputes, balancing conflict and coexistence. While they are capable of aggression, crocodiles also prefer to avoid direct conflict when possible, and they have a myriad of ways to signal dominance, and their intention to defend their territory without resorting to full-scale violence. They have evolved a complex range of behaviors designed to maintain their social structure with minimal engagement, and it allows them to navigate their often overpopulated areas with minimum disruption. Their displays are often complex, and it showcases a need for balance. Not all interactions are violent, and they are adept at avoiding confrontation when possible. The impact of human interference, disrupting the social balance. Unfortunately, the delicate social world of the crocodile is increasingly threatened by human activities. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and poaching are all having a negative impact on their social structures, and they are increasingly struggling to survive in our modern world. Disrupting their territories, their traditional mating areas, and their ability to thrive with one another is having an increasingly damaging effect on them all. It is a reminder that human interference has more than a singular impact, and that it can affect every part of their lives. A social world in need of protection. The world of the crocodile is so much more than the often depicted image of a solitary hunter. It is a complex social system where communication, family bonds, and carefully crafted hierarchies are all vital to their survival. By looking past the teeth and jaws, and by appreciating their social lives, we can begin to understand the vital importance of these amazing creatures in their environments. It is not enough to know them as predators. We must also appreciate their more subtle, often unnoticed sides.